Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Super Drag Drop feature in Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. This is very useful feature that is known as Super Drag and Drop that is available in Microsoft developer version, and it will be soon released in a stable version also. To use this feature, download developer version Edge browser from Microsoft official website. I will provide the link in this video description. After installing the Edge browser on your Windows PC, on the address bar type edge colon slash slash flags and press enter on the keyboard. Here search for super super drag drop, Microsoft Edge super drag drop. Here use the drop down menu and select enabled option. Then click on this one restart button at the bottom of the Edge browser. This will restart your Edge browser to apply these settings. After once you have enabled this setting, you can use this feature, such as if you have opened any web page on your PC and you want to open any link in a new tab, just select it and drag anywhere on the same screen. This will open link in a new tab on your browser. In case you want to search anything in a new tab using the default search engine, just select the text and just drag it somewhere on the same screen. This will open open search in a new tab. Like this, you can use this feature on Windows PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.